Meaning of jacksy.
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 Jacksy. In British slang, jacksy is a word for the buttocks or anus. It is a childish or informal term, and is not generally used in polite conversation. It is thought to have originated in the 19th century, and its exact meaning is uncertain. Some believe it may be derived from the word jackanapes, which refers to a monkey or ape, while others believe it may be related to the word jack, which is a slang term for a penis. Whatever its origin, jacksy is a term that is generally considered to be impolite or vulgar.